Welcome back. I'll show you how to screenshot and record screen in Windows 11. Press Win plus Shift plus S together to open Snipping Tool. You can drag to screenshot the area selected. The notification confirms that you have successfully screenshot. You can find the file in the directory above. This is the screenshot that we took just now. Next, let's record our screen. Press Win plus Shift plus S together to open Snipping Tool. Now press on the record button. Drag the area that you want to record. The mic icon allows you to record your voice and recording while the other icon records computer sound. I'll start recording. Let's try to record the open of our File Explorer. And close it. When you stop record, a window will pop up to let you see the recording. You can locate the record file in the directory above. This is a file of the record just now. I'll play it. You can see that the actions we've done is completely recorded. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. If you think this video helps you, please like and subscribe to the channel.